Welcome to this meditation for renewal, for cleansing your mind, your body, your heart, and your energy. You can do this first thing in the morning to start your day clear, or at any time you need to wash away any heaviness or fog, any time you need to come back to yourself. This is a moment to cleanse your energy and reconnect to your light. Thank you for being here. And when you're ready, you can find a comfortable seat or lie down. Allow your spine to be tall but not rigid. Let your shoulders soften. And if it feels right, you can close your eyes or just soften your gaze. And take a deep breath in through your nose, welcoming this beautiful day. Pause at the top, and then open your mouth and let it go with a sigh. Hold at the bottom. And again, breathe in, welcoming fresh energy into your body. Pause at the top. And then open your mouth, releasing any tension. Pause at the bottom and just notice that spaciousness in between breaths. And then one more time, inhale, receiving. Hold at the top, resting in that present space. And then open your mouth, exhale, feel your body grow heavy. And allow your breath to return to its natural flow. Just noticing the rise and fall of your belly. You might notice the sounds around you, the water, the aliveness, the stillness beneath the rhythm of life. Right now, you do not need to do anything or become anything. You are here in this moment, and that is enough. You might invite a feeling of gratitude to flow into your presence. Gratitude for this breath, for this moment. Gratitude for the fact that each morning you get to begin again and create anything you want. Now, could you bring your awareness gently to your body and notice if there's anywhere you're holding? Perhaps your jaw, your shoulders, your belly, maybe the back of your neck. Just notice. And with each exhale, see if you can soften just 1% more. Your body has been working all night, healing, restoring, processing information. All it asks for you to do is to listen. So listen now to your body. What does your body need this morning? What does your body need in this moment? More space, more breath, more permission to just be. Whatever it is, could you give it that? Now might you imagine or sense yourself somewhere in nature, in a place of pure flowing water, a waterfall, ancient, clear, alive. You are sitting near it, close enough to feel the mist on your skin, little droplets of coolness, aliveness. This water has been flowing long before you were born, and it will keep flowing long after. It's been through trillions of cycles of renewal, sustaining all of life and nature. It knows how to cleanse. It knows how to renew. All you need to do is receive the medicinal qualities of this water. You might feel the gentle mist reaching you, soft droplets on your face, your arms, your shoulders. This mist is washing away all that you do not need anymore. Any worry, any tension that you carried from yesterday, old stories that are not yours, the should-haves, the what-ifs. Let the water take it away. No need to force, just allow. Just observe the natural intelligence of the cleansing water. Now imagine the mist becoming finer, lighter, almost like translucent light itself. And this light mist begins to move through you. Not on you, but through you. Through your mind, cleansing old thoughts, old loops, old patterns. Moving through your heart, washing away any old hurts, old armor, old protection that you do not need anymore. Your heart opening, cleansing. And this light mist moves through your body, releasing tension, releasing what you've been holding energetically, releasing any pain. Let this light wash through you. Let it cleanse. Let it renew every cell in your body. You are not the same person you were a moment ago. You are lighter, clearer, more authentically you. And from this place of clarity, let these words stream through you. You don't have to repeat them, just receive them. I am renewed. I am enough exactly as I am. I release what is no longer mine to carry. I welcome this day with an open heart. I trust myself. I trust the wisdom of my body I trust the miracle of this moment. Feel these words, these truths settling into your body, into your subconscious mind, as a knowing, as embodiment. And as we move on into the rest of the day, from this space, might you ask yourself, what do I want to bring into today? Not what you should, but what you want to bring, or you want to create. Maybe it's softness. Maybe it's presence. Maybe it's courage. Or maybe it's play. Whatever it is, let it rise. Name it silently. Let this intention guide your day. Let it become your anchor at any time you may begin to forget. These words are part of you. They're who you are. And now you can release any visualization. Let go of any effort. And just rest here. Exist in the space the water created, in this new clarity, in the aliveness. Notice the sounds, the breath, the aliveness in your body. Resting is pure awareness, the space in which the experience of life flows through you, knowing that you have the power to choose what you place your attention on. And where you place your attention, energy flows. At any time throughout your day, you're experiencing intense thoughts or feelings, just remember this moment. Remember your true nature of being pure presence, pure awareness. Slowly, when you're ready, you can begin to deepen your breath and welcome life back into your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes, feeling yourself coming back to a renewed morning, a beautiful day. As you awaken and you blink your eyes open, notice what has shifted. Notice what feels different now that you're lighter, more present. You've been cleansed, you have been renewed, and you get to carry this with you. And everyone who comes in contact with you today gets to feel it. Thank you so much for being here. Have an amazing day. Namaste. Thank you so much. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to the channel. Your support goes such a long way and allows me to keep creating weekly yoga flows, meditations, and yoga nidras. If you'd like to dive deeper, I have a 10-minute nervous system reset meditation that you can download below. That also comes with journaling prompts that you can do daily to just support your nervous system in a grounded way of living. I also have other programs. If you are interested, you can dive deeper with me. Everything is listed down below. Okay, thank you so much. Please feel free to share your experience and how you're feeling in the comments section, and I can't wait to guide you again soon. Much love.